Skin Tag and Wart Remover Laser Plasma Pen, painless, safe and effective mole removal tool use. For home. Do you suffer from unwanted skin tags, moles, or warts? Embarrassed to show your skin in public or tired of expensive, painful clinic treatments? Then it's time you discover the Skin Tag Remover Wart Eliminator Laser Plasma Pen, a revolutionary skincare tool designed to bring clear, flawless skin back into your hands. This compact, handheld plasma device offers painless, scar-free removal of skin imperfections from the comfort of your home. What is a plasma pen? The laser plasma pen uses ionized gas technology to create a small arc of plasma that targets and dries out the skin tag or mole, allowing it to fall off naturally over the next few days. It's non-invasive, effective, and safe for all skin types. Key features: plasma arc technology targets only the affected skin. Multiple intensity levels, adjustable based on skin type. Rechargeable battery, long-lasting and portable. LED display, for clear control during use. Fine needles, for pinpoint accuracy. No pain, no scars, a smooth and clean finish. Cost-effective, one-time purchase, long-term benefit. What's in the box? 1x Laser Plasma Pen, 10x Replaceable Needles, 1x Charging Cable, 1x Instruction Manual, 1x Cleaning Pad, Alcohol Wipe, 1x Carrying Box. How to use: clean the area with alcohol. Install the needle and turn on the device. Set the intensity level. Start low. Gently touch the skin tag per mole. Wait for it to scab and fall off in a few days. Apply aftercare cream if needed. Note: always do a patch test before using. Is it safe? Absolutely. This plasma pen is dermatologist tested and safe for home use. It's best to follow the manual and avoid using on sensitive areas like eyelids. Real user reviews, and quote: within 7 days my mole completely disappeared. And quote, I saved hundreds on skin treatment. And quote, no pain, no bleeding, just results. And quote, very easy to use and clean. And quote, before and after. Visual section for video include real user results, show face, neck, or arms before use, right pointing arrow, and after 7 to 10 days. The science behind it. Plasma pens create an electric arc that reacts with the moisture in the skin. It carbonizes the surface layer of the skin tag or wart, causing it to dehydrate and fall off naturally. This process is precise, minimally invasive, and encourages new skin regeneration. Who should use this? Anyone with skin tags, warts, moles, people looking for non-surgical skincare solutions, busy individuals who want fast, at-home treatment, beauty professionals offering skincare services. Unwanted skin tags can be annoying, embarrassing, and sometimes even painful, whether they appear on your neck, underarms, eyelids, or any other sensitive areas. Skin tags can affect your confidence and appearance. If you're tired of hiding your skin or spending money on costly treatments, you're not alone. Good news: the rise of affordable, non-invasive skin tag removers in 2025 has made it easier than ever to treat skin tags at home, without surgery, pain, or scarring. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about skin tags and how to remove them safely using modern tools like Skin Tag Remover Laser Plasma Pens, natural methods, and dermatologist-approved treatments. What are skin tags? Skin tags, also known as acrocordons, are small, soft, benign growths of skin that commonly Appear in areas where the skin rubs together. They're not dangerous but can be unsightly and bothersome, especially if irritated by clothing or jewelry. Common areas where skin tags appear: neck, eyelids, underarms, groin area, under the breasts, around the face. While skin tags are harmless, their removal is often pursued for cosmetic reasons or to prevent discomfort. What causes skin tags? There are several factors that contribute to the development of skin tags: friction from skin rubbing against skin or clothing, hormonal changes during pregnancy or puberty, obesity and excess skin folds, diabetes and insulin resistance, genetics. If your parents had them, you might. 2. Aging, more common in people over 40. Types of skin tag removers. Let's break down the popular skin tag removal options available today. Laser plasma pen. This high-tech device uses plasma arc technology to target the skin tag directly. It dries out the tag, causing it to fall off naturally within days. Pros: fast and effective, precise targeting, reusable and rechargeable, painless, with mild tingling, best for home users seeking professional results. Skin tag removal creams. Over-the-counter creams that break down the tissue within the tag. Pros: easy to apply, affordable, available without prescription. Cons: may take weeks, may not work on larger tags. Natural oils, tea tree, castor oil, essential oils have been used for centuries to treat minor skin issues. Pros: gentle on skin, no chemicals, great for sensitive areas. Cons: slow process, may require weeks of consistent use. Freezing kits, cryotherapy, mimics clinical freezing to destroy skin tissue. Pros: fast results, easy application, available at pharmacies. Cons: slight discomfort, not suitable for everyone. How to use a skin tag remover plasma pen, step by step. Here's how to use the most advanced solution, the laser plasma pen, safely at home. Disinfect the area with rubbing alcohol. Attach the fine needle to the pen. Turn on and set to a low level. Start slow. Touch the pen tip to the tag and gently burn the surface. The skin will darken and form a scab. Let it heal naturally. Don't peel the scab. Apply a soothing cream or aloe vera post-treatment. Healing time: 5 to 10 days. Scarring minimal if aftercare is followed. Real people, real results. This device removed my skin tag in 5 days. No pain, no scar. Karen M. Easy to use and saved me a trip to the dermatologist. John D. I used tea tree oil for 3 weeks and my small skin tags are gone. Lena S. Precautions before using. Do not use on open wounds or infected skin. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. Do a patch test to avoid allergic reactions. Not suitable for children under 12. Consult a doctor if the growth is unusually large or changing color. When to see a doctor. Say goodbye to stubborn skin tags, moles, and warts with the advanced laser plasma pen, a safe, painless, and professional-grade skincare tool designed for home use. Whether you're dealing with small tags on your neck, warts on your hands, or moles that bother your confidence, this device offers precise, non-invasive removal without the high cost of clinic visits. Using cutting-edge plasma micro-discharge technology, the pen gently targets and removes unwanted skin growths by drying them from the root. It's suitable for all skin types and ideal for sensitive areas like the face, underarms, or eyelids. The compact design makes it easy to handle, while multiple intensity levels ensure customized treatment based on your comfort. With regular use, you'll notice clear, smoother skin in just a few sessions. No needles, no chemicals, no scars. Just professional results in the palm of your hand. Rechargeable and portable LED display for control. Painless and quick healing, dermatologist recommended. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go best. Skin Tag Remover 2025 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.